Apple MacBook Air 13-inch Retina display. Previous model. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I've been playing around with the new Air for the past 5 days and so far at least, am quite happy that I decided to upgrade from my 2013 version. That computer has provided excellent service for the past 5 years and still works well. But I decided to go for it. Here are my early impressions. It looks and feels better. It is sleeker, and surprisingly lighter, smaller and just nicer to play with. Slimmer bezels and thinner case make this computer extremely portable. I was a bit hesitant to go with the gold color, but it looks great and the color is a bit darker than the rose gold iPhone that I have. It is faster. It has a better processor and more memory. Maybe for complex tasks the Pro might be better, but for everyday web browsing, video watching, music, email etc., the new Air is definitely an upgrade. The Retina display is beautiful. Not to take anything away from the 2013 model, which has an excellent display, but this is very nice. It's not quite as bright as the older model, and I find myself adjusting it to the highest, or near highest level. This is obviously affecting battery life, which seems good to me in any event. But I don't think 12 hours is a reasonable expectation, unless the screen brightness is set pretty low. The keyboard is nicer and the speakers sound surprisingly good. Pretty amazing when you consider how thin this laptop is. You will notice more bass, and clear and louder sound. The Touch ID is cool. It recognizes my fingerprint in a split second with no issues. On the negative side, it's expensive. For the price, it should probably have more hard drive space. And it's a somewhat ridiculous $200 to upgrade to 256 GB. I also kind of wish it had a regular USB port. Welcome to the future. It does have a regular phone jack though. That adapter you need for the newer iPhones always bugged me. One more thing I just remembered. The viewing angles have been drastically improved. On my old Air, you had to tilt the screen just right and place it directly in front of you. Big difference here. Overall, this is a very beautiful laptop, and a great update if you are looking for something new. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.